Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the card on the Klarna application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the wallet option next to the purchases button at the bottom of the screen, and here go to the add button. New, you can select different cards type. For example, click to the ocean, and new, you can scan your card's barcode, and this is the mode which you can add to your account the card. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.